How to recover deleted Telegram channels. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily recover your deleted channels or texts on your Telegram. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. First thing first, you need to open up your Telegram and make sure that you're logged in. And from here, so let's say if you have deleted a group and want to recover it. So let's say if I just delete this group right here and delete every conversation from this, I still have 5 seconds to undo my deletion. So if I just tap on undo, within those 5 seconds, I am able to recover this. But let's say if you are not able to do that, or you just lost those 5 seconds and you're no longer able to recover this, then in that case you can just go ahead and search for it on your search bar, and you can just search for the specific group. But if you don't see that on your search bar, then what you can do is ask for one of the members that are on the group to add you back again. So that is the only way as of now. So that's pretty much it. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.